Join us on our trip to Las Vegas, Nevada and Death Valley National Park. Unfortunately, our trip didn't start so great. We got lost in the airport looking for our baggage carousel. This is what happens when you don't follow instructions. With the help of our friends, we were able to locate the baggage carousel and retrieve our bags. I do apologize for the lack of footage here, but once we got our bags, we rented a car and drove down to our hotel in Westgate Resort, Las Vegas, where I had to face more craziness from my roomies. Once everybody had settled down, we took it easy that night and made sure we got a lot of rest for the next day. Hey guys, day 2 on this trip. We're on our way to Death Valley. We'll update you when we get there. We were running out of daylight, so we decided to leave Golden Canyon and headed down to Badwater Basin to catch the sunset. Badwater Basin is an endorheic basin in Death Valley National Park, noted as the lowest point in North America, with a depth of 282 feet below sea level. As you can see here, there's a sign way up there that marks the sea level, which illustrates how far down we are. Hold on, let me get that closer for you. Here we go. We then walked around the salt flats where I flew my drone and took lots of pictures and videos. And yes, that's real salt. Trust me, I tried it. By the end of the day, we were all so tired that some of us were knocked out in the car on the way back to Vegas. On the third day, we purchased a 24-hour pass for their public transit called the monorail. The pass was $13.45 US per person, which we used to get downtown. We exited at the Flamingo and Caesars Palace station and explored from there. Yeah, I had my face printed on my M&Ms, which I thought was pretty cool. After a lot of walking, eating, and shopping, we made our way back to the hotel, feeling tired but satisfied. On our fourth day, we moved to the Flamingo Hotel located along the Vegas Boulevard for our last night in the city. We got a nice room on the 15th floor with a view of the Strip and the Caesars Palace Hotel, where they filmed the movies Hangover 1 and 3. And at night, this was our view from our room. We all went out that night and explored the city a bit more. We walked a lot and took a lot of pictures and videos. After a lot of walking and eating, we decided to hit the casino in our hotel where I lost $20 to a slot machine. This pissed me off, so I stormed upstairs and watched the movie and packed my stuff for my departure the next day. On the day of our departure, not much happened. We left the hotel at 10 a.m., got to the airport, and went through the airport process, which went smoothly. Got back to Vancouver in one piece, and that was the trip. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video.